The first one on the list, GoPro Hero 9. 5K video. Shoot stunning video with up to 5K resolution. Perfect for maintaining detail even when zooming in 20MP photo with Superphoto. Capture crisp, pro-quality photos with 20MP clarity. And with Superphoto Hero 9 Black can automatically pick all the best image processing for you front display, plus rear touch screen. A new, larger rear touch screen with touch zoom on Hero 9 Black and a dazzling new front display makes for easy framing and intuitive camera control. Lid streaming plus webcam. Live stream in 1080p on social, get hyper-smooth stabilization as you broadcast. The second one on the list, Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. 20.1 megapixel 1.0 stacked CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor. 4.2x optical zoom lens, 24-100 mm f/1.8-2.8 with optical image stabilizer. 4K 30p/FHD 120p video. High-quality webcam, or do the same using a clean HDMI output. The third one on the list, Canon PowerShot SX420. Powerful 42x optical zoom with optical image stabilizer for outstanding optical performance. Aspect ratio 16:9/3:2/4:3/1:1. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC allows for easy sharing and transferring of images and videos. 20.0 megapixel sensor with Digic 4 Plus image processor helps deliver stunning image quality and approx number of shots recordable to 16 GB memory card. The fourth one on the list, Panasonic Lumix DC-ZS70K. 20.3 megapixel MOS sensor plus 30x Leica DC Vario Elmer lens, 24-720 mm, plus 5-axis hybrid OIS, optical image stabilizer. 0.2-inch 1166K EVF electronic viewfinder with eye sensor for easier viewing under sunny outdoor conditions. 4K QFHD video recording 3840x 2160 plus exclusive Lumix 4K photo and 4K post-focus with internal focus stacking feature. The last one on the list, Panasonic Lumix G100. A real camera for real life. Trust your memories to a camera, not a phone. The exceptional performance and portability of the Lumix G100 lets you capture fleeting moments in crystal clear 4K photo and video. Easily transfer, edit, and share. Intuitive, lightweight camera. And that's all. For today's video, links of the products is given in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.